Friends, welcome to Excel in Excel part 20. In this episode, we will see how to create your own age calculator in Excel. Friends, to calculate the age, we use the function dated if. Suppose you want age in years, then see how do we calculate it. Is equal to dated if open parenthesis. This dated if function requires three arguments. One is the start date, another is end date, and third is unit. So the start date we are taking as your date of birth, which is displayed in the cell F10. So we will select cell F10. So whatever date will be typed in this cell, accordingly the age will be displayed. So F10 cell, comma, this is the first argument. Then the second argument is last date. Last date is, of course, it is today's date. So we will type here today's date, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, comma. Today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, text today's date. Comma is the argument separator. Then the third is unit. We want it in years, so we will type quote Y unquote. So this will give you the age in years only. Close the parenthesis and enter, and you see that the age is displayed as 53 years. If you want it in months, just change the unit part, is equal to dated if open parenthesis start date, that is F10 cell, select it, comma, then the last date, that is today's date, so today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, comma. Now here the unit will be different. It is month, so we will take M. So quote M unquote, close the parenthesis, enter, and the age in months will be displayed as 638 months. Suppose you want it in days. Then again the unit part will be changed, is equal to dated if open parenthesis, three arguments will be required, start date which is in F10 cell, comma, then today's date, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, comma, then the unit is days, and so we take D for days, and therefore quote D unquote, close the parenthesis and enter, and so the age in days will be displayed, that is 19,444 days. But friends, you don't want your age in years only, or months only, or days only. If you want the age as 23 years, 2 months and 25 days, means in years, how many years are completed, how many months are completed, and how many days are completed, then you see how the formula is formed. This is the formula required to give the age in years, months and days. Oh, it's too long. No, friends, it is not too long. It is a repetition of same thing. But sometimes what happens in this formula, that we get the age as 0 years or 0 months or 0 days, and it is displayed as 0 years, 2 months and 25 days. To avoid these 0 years, we have to connect this dated if formula with if formula. so that these 0 years or 0 months will not be displayed. So see how it is written, is equal to if. Now this is the formula which we have used in the first case, age in years. So this is if formula, dated if. It requires 3 arguments, logical date, value if true, and value if false. So date if, so it is F10 today and unit is Y in years. If these years is equal to 0, this is the logical test. If this is 0, then nothing is to be displayed. Therefore, comma. So if it is true, value if true, second argument. If it is true, then nothing is to be displayed, and therefore quote unquote, comma. And if it is false, means if it is not 0, then the same years are to be displayed. So just copy this part and paste it here. But friends, here in the next part, you require it to be 53 years, comma, not only 53. So you will have to connect it with ampersand function, that is AND function. So AND, what we require, 53 years. So this will display this dated if today, this will display 53, and this will display years, comma. Then again we have to connect this with 2 months, means 53 years, that is to be connected with 2 months. So again it will be used as ampersand formula, that is AND if, dated if, F10 today, then YM unit that displays the difference in months only. It neglects years and days, and so the difference in months will be neglected. Today is December and this starting date month is 10 and December is 12, so its difference is 2, and so the 2 months will be displayed. So today YM is equal to 0. If it is 0, then don't display anything, quote unquote, and if it is false, then don't display the months. So copy and paste this part here. Same for the days also. Friends, type this formula, enter, and you will see that it will display 53 years, 2 months and 25 days. Thank you very much for watching this video. Friends, you might have enjoyed this video. Then go to thumbs up button and click. Then go to share tab and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and many more. And to get the updates right in your mailbox, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.